Hello friends, you are watching Silly Xpert. In this video, we are going to see how to enable full screen gestures on your Xiaomi or Redmi devices running on Android 10. First, go into System Settings, then select or open Additional Settings option, this one. In Additional Settings, we can see full screen display option, this one. We have two options here, buttons and full screen gestures. Select second one. Now it's gonna show us a small demo. Click on learn. We can perform 3 actions using these gestures like go to home screen, open recent applications and go back. Click on learn. To go to home screen, swipe from the bottom quickly. Just swipe up from the bottom quickly. To open recents, swipe up from the bottom and pause. Swipe up and pause. And to go back, swipe right from the edge, or we can also swipe left from the edge to go back. Now our demo is completed. Click on I am done. Swipe left from the edge to go back, or right to go to home screen. Swipe up from the bottom quickly. Now here you can see 3 navigation buttons or navigation bar is now replaced with a single big slider at the bottom here. It is. Now with the help of this slider, we can switch between recent applications by sliding it to left or right. Like this. But wait, how to trigger Android Assistant? In navigation bar containing home screen button, we can trigger Android Assistant by long pressing on home button. But here home button is missing. To trigger Android Assistant, we need to swipe up from the any of the bottom corner of the screen. Or whether it is will get triggered.
These are the top results.
That's it for this video. I will see you in next one. Wear mask and stay safe.